you bold and beautiful people, how are you doing today? Today's video is me trying out a new eyeshadow palette, especially this one. I know this one is a Halloween palette, but you know what? I'm gonna play with some because I want to play some colors. I do have two other ones that I have. I have the heads over the clouds, head in the clouds, over the clouds, no, head in the clouds. This is what it looks like in the blue. Beautiful palette. And then I have the volume 36 special palette. This is like an earthy tone. I do need to get the other ones too, but I'm glad I got these because these were on sale. A good markup. Jessica did a sale a couple of weeks ago. I think it's still going on right now. Just go check on Facebook when she's live streaming on Facebook, and she always has some good deals when she's live streaming. Also got some cool goodies. I have like two liquid lipsticks. Um, I bought a whoopsie uh makeup eraser pen. I also she spends about I don't know how many dollars. I know I got two free new products. I got this one. I met one part of the collection that she did with Sitting Nicole. Two highlighters. That's what it looks like. This is beautiful. And then I got another oopsie. So yeah. Alright. First, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. But this is just the eye look I'm just gonna go for. I'm not going to do anything else, so on and so forth. But I did get this one. This is the Spoiled Lips, the Spoiled Tales from the Deep Blue Sea. This is like a duochrome, multi-chrome eyeshadow palette, which is fall shimmers. It's beautiful. I like them. So I am going to use the Beauty Creations Neutral Eye Base. I decided to start filming only once a week. Maybe I know I gotta do other videos, but Mondays might probably be just the best days for me to just post videos for a number of reasons. Especially the videos I've been doing, like the makeup therapy videos, and plus the shot mustache videos I seem to like doing. So I am going to still doing some more videos. I'm still planning to do the single ladies, like I said, and my bestie collab with my bestie. But other than that, I'm just working as much as I can. That snowstorm, man, that we had. It's not a snowstorm. It's a nice. And it's only lasted for about a day. Like, oh, it's gonna supposed to be like a few days. I'm like, yeah, welcome to Georgia, especially where I'm at in Georgia. So I live around Atlanta. So even though they said, oh, it's, this is just what it is, right? Uh, but yeah, we barely got anything on that. It is what it is. I am doing, I don't know what kind of look I'm doing. I just know I'm just doing a look. I am playing with some oranges. So I'm thinking about playing oranges, maybe some greens. I don't know yet. But I really want to play with this. Of course, it's okay. One mirror right here, and here goes the eyeshadow. So there is some pressed glitters in there, like this one right here. There's pressed glitters in there. So say about three of them. This one, and this one are not. Orange is one of those colors that I don't play with a lot. But I do play with it, don't get me wrong. It's just one of those things. So I'm gonna use this shade. These do not have names. I wish they do have names, but sorry if the light is a little bit off. It's just like really bright today. Which, hey, that's good, right? Right. So how's everybody? Did you get the snow? Did you get the snowstorm? Did you get some ice? Was it bad over there? Was it just like this is normal? But I don't know. I don't know. I was hoping I was gonna get snow, but yeah, because I like the snow more than I like the ice. Because of course my husky boys loves ice, so they had a lot of fun and everything, but they were just wanting to eat the ice. It's like dudes, yo, but they love their ice, so they love. Like Huskies just love the cold. Like people think, oh my god, you gotta break. No, some Huskies don't want to go out, especially when they know, and it's like it's part of their breed. Anyway, but to stay in the cold, especially the Alaskan Huskies and the Siberian Huskies, they're meant to be in the cold. So it's just not like, oh, it's just I'm like over here like I'm like looking like, oh, is it a Chihuahua? No, it freeze to death. This Huskies got double coats, so and their first coat is white first. So. But I love my Husky boys, Oreo and Stony. They're like they're so beautiful. I love them. I mean, even though they even though they drive me nuts most of the time, I just like kind of get out, which they have done many a times. I'm gonna use this orange right here, but oh, this is like a pumpkin orange. I like this pumpkin orange. You don't see a lot of like really orange colors and everything else, but I like to see more. Their Huskies are not a faint of the heart, okay? They're very active dogs, and they're I love their personality. So Huskies are very talkative dogs. Like even though they are like very, how come I like Huskies? Because they're not just because they're vocal, but they're very smart dogs. And I just always wanted Huskies. Oreo, on the other hand, he's he's a dominant one, while Stony is a very like whatever type of dog. Oreo's just a very like he knows what he wants. He's very smart, like very smart. I'm trying to teach the dogs to not like chase the cats because the cats are like almost 8 years old. Yeah, they were born 2018, especially the girls. Because that's who they hang out when they love. And they love Halloween. Sadly, she passed away last year, but they really love Halloween. And none of the other cats are just not like Halloween, like very laid back. Lion is, but mm, she's teaching the dogs I hate a little bit too much. Because the Huskies boys could be a little bit too much. And like I have to teach them like, hey, don't get like this with them, you know. It's a learning experience with the pups. So even though they're be 3 years old, they're really good doggies. I'm gonna use this red shade. But um like I said, they're very and Orton Stone is and my funny part is Lion likes Stony better than she likes Ori because Ori is right there, right in her face, and Lion doesn't like it. It's quite funny. I mean, it's hilarious. But Orio's getting better. He's actually getting a lot better. He's like more listening, commanding, and everything else. The thing I am going to work with them this year because I've been working along with them and figuring out what works for them. Um, I wish I'd done this when they were babies, like they were puppies when I first got them, and that's my fault. I need to give them more walks because I think they're outside most of the time, but 95% of the time, once it's not raining and everything else. But that's gonna be one things I am working on this year with them is that. But I also I'm gonna take them out for walks. I'm gonna take them to the park, get them to be more sociable. Like Stony loves people. Oreo only likes the people that he knows. And that's not always a good thing. So that's what I'm gonna be working on. Lately I've been letting them sleep in my room, which they have fun with, even though at night they can be a little bit rowdy. But that's because we need to go to the bathroom. So when they have to go to the bathroom, I'm not gonna say, oh, you can't go to the bathroom and have them poop or pee in my room here or in the house. So I just like and some people think they're playing and they're not. They're actually and it's not them playing, they had to go potty. Oh, I don't know if you can really see this or not. How this camera is going here at this point, I don't know. But a lot of white. So I can use orange glitter in here, but I don't really want to use orange. I want to do something different with that. So we use this shade Mermaid. There's a little fallout to it, but that's just actually that's not a big deal for me. Not really. As long as it gives me a good pack a punch, I'm with that. And this is really pretty. I like that. What do you guys think? Okay. Those are really bright. This is from, I cannot pronounce this name. It's a indie company. Okay, I'm gonna do my rest of my face and give you the finished look. Be right back. I really do enjoy this makeup look that I created. I love it. I love Spoiled Cosmetics. I think Spoiled Cosmetics is one of the inexpensive any brands out there. I love their bi-monthly ones. I love how the different eyeshadow palettes are uh different shape and all of that. And I love the color stories. It's always unique and beautiful. Um, but yes, I really do love it. I can't wait to play with the other two eyeshadows. I did use the Unit One highlighter palette. I use this shade right here. It has a nice yellow to orange reflective, which I do like. Does make sense with this makeup look. And then I did use the Spoilux Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick. I do like this one. This is very opaque. It's very thick. See, it's not a very thick one like most liquid matte lipsticks are. This is like a very nice formula. It is a definitely a one of a true matte finish. It's not drying. If it is drying a little bit, just before you put it on, suggest put a lip oil or a lip mask or even some chapstick. Something like that can help with the moisture, keep the moisture in or anything like that, or add moisture to your lips before you put this on. That's the only thing I will say. Other than that, I really like the formula. It doesn't feel like it's there, you know. You know that something's on your list, but it's, you know there is, but you can't feel it, which I do like. Because sometimes looking matte lipsticks can do that sometimes. It makes you feel like really cracking it. But really does a great job. But yeah, I really do like this makeup look. I hope you do enjoy this video. I hope you can try out more of Spoilux Cosmetics. Try out their eyeshadow palettes. Try out the whole entire line of Spoilux Cosmetics because I think you're gonna have a lot of fun things. And also the Whoopsie makeup eraser pen does an amazing job. I really do like it. I am definitely going to repurchase that every single time because I think it's worth the money. How much I pay for? Yes, even with the sale and even with this without the sale, I think it's a really great deal to have in your collection. Definitely to do a whoopsie doesn't easy cleanup. Basically, it's there using makeup wipes or using micellar water. You have something that can. But other than that, I highly recommend that Pacific product from Spoiled Lips Cosmetics. But yeah, other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day or night, wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Remember, be bold, be yourself because you're beautiful as you are. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.